Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you step by step how you can get your own Solana wallet and the best app to use and some things you need to know before using the app. Kindly subscribe to this channel so you won't miss such video like this. First, what you have to do is go to your Play Store or your App Store first. Play Store, I'm using Play Store. Search for Solflare wallet, this one, download it and install. Open it. Here, what you have to do, if you don't have an account before, you need to create an account. But if you have an account before, you need to import an existing wallet. So for those that don't have an account, you need to create new accounts. So click on create. But if you have an account before, just click on import existing wallet here. Then you choose whether recovery phrase or Solflare shared, any one here. What you have to import is your recovery phrase here, but we are going to create new accounts here, not recovering wallet here. So create new account here, click next. Here write down your seed phrase, your recovery phrase is here. You need to write it down on a paper so you won't forget. Anybody that have access to this recovery phrase already have access to your account and can withdraw your phone or do anything on your account. You need to then continue here. Then you need to put number forward in your recovery phrase. Your own might be any number, it might be 10, might be 11. Just select the number from your recovery phrase and continue. Here you need to enter new passcode here. So enter your passcode. Okay, you can enable. Okay, agree, let's go. Notification, enable notification or not now, anyone. You have successfully created your Solana wallet. Now you can now receive, buy, swap, stake, send. So here is setting. Here you can change your language here, currency. Maybe you can change your currency here, any currency you like. You can change it. Let's change it here. You change it any currency you like. You can change your language here. So, and anytime you want to receive any token, maybe USDC, any token must be under Solana, because this wallet is only built for Solana only. So just go to receive any token, whether USDC, Solana, any token you want to deposit. Just copy it and go make your deposit. Here you can buy. Here. You can continue buy here. Here is to swap from Solana to USDC or USDC to Solana. You can change it. Just any token you have already, you can swap it from there if you have deposited any token. Anyone here, you can swap it to any token here. Maybe you want to buy, you can deposit Solana and swap it to maybe USDC or pump. You make sure you know the token you are trying to buy. Jupiter, anyone, select max here. So here you can rename your wallet here. Main wallet. Can rename your wallet here. Save it. And if you want to your recovery phrase, just click on your profile here. Click on edit here. Click on this 3-dot line you see. This background, rename wallet, copy address, export private key, export recovery phrase here. Just anyone. Here is your recovery phrase. Click on it, then put your password there. Continue. And if you want to add another account, just click another wallet here. You can see here add wallet or import a private key here. You can add another wallet, or you have a private key, or you don't have any private key you want to import, you can add another second wallet here. Just add any name, your second wallet here. So you can add any here to add. you have already created a second wallet inside this account already. Any token you deposit will be shown here, whether it's Solana, any token you deposit. If this video helped you, kindly subscribe to this channel, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section.